Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Car tax rules are changing from tomorrow. See the full list. The beginning of April means major new car tax changes are coming into effect, impacting motorists across the UK. Possibly the biggest shakeup will be felt by electric vehicle (EV) owners, who will no longer be exempt from paying Vehicle Excise Duty (VED), a tax which hits everyone with a car. The amount you pay will depend on when your vehicle was registered and how much it is worth. Here we take a look at all the changes that will take effect from the beginning of April. To encourage more people to buy zero-emission cars, EVs in the UK have long been exempt from paying VED. From tomorrow, April 1, owners will be charged £10 for the first year after their vehicle is registered, and then the standard rate of £195 each subsequent year of ownership. Those with an electric, zero, or low-emission cars registered between April 1, 2017 and March 30, 2025 will have to pay the £195 standard rate from the start. Then Chancellor Jeremy Hunt announced the move in December 2022, saying it would make our motoring tax system fairer. His policy has been continued by the current Labour government. The luxury car tax is a supplement added to VED for people whose vehicles have a list price of £40,000 or more. This, too, will apply to electric vehicles from the beginning of next month. Due to the expense of manufacturing batteries, EVs are often more expensive than their internal combustion counterparts, meaning their owners are more likely to be slapped with the luxury car tax. Online vehicle marketplace Auto Trader has called for the VED changes to be delayed out of concern. It may prevent people going electric. The site's commercial director, Ian Plummer, said, "EVs up to 5 years old on our site are 3.5 times more likely to be hit by the expensive car supplement than internal combustion engine cars in the same age range. That kind of difference is unhelpful for efforts to persuade drivers to switch." From April 1, owners of these luxury cars will pay a supplement of £425 on top of the standard rate for years 2 to 6 after a vehicle is first registered. It will apply to new EVs registered from that date. Former Fifth Gear presenter Quentin Wilson, who is the founder of Pro EV Group Faircharge, said, "I strongly disagree with the EV expensive car supplement. £620 a year to tax most EVs will discourage private buyers, who get no incentive whatsoever to switch from combustion to electric. Ministers say we should drive EVs, while the Treasury creates tax barriers to put us off." A Treasury spokesperson said, "The shift to electric vehicles will support growth and productivity across the UK and is crucial for tackling climate change. Our balanced approach ensures fiscal stability during the transition to electric vehicles, including by introducing Vehicle Excise Duty on EVs from April 2025, while maintaining targeted incentives to encourage their uptake. Cars with CO2 emissions between 1-50 g/km, most plug-in hybrids, who previously paid £10 in the first year, will now have to pay £110. And cars in the 51-75 g/km band will see their first-year tax costs go from £30 to £130. Cars with emissions of 75 g/km and more, meanwhile, would see their first-year rate double in price. The benefit in kind, BIK, rate for zero-emission vehicles is set to go up by 1% each year from 2025 to 2028. It currently stands at 2%, but will increase to 3% next month, then to 4% in 2026 and 5% in 2027. For vehicles emitting 75 g/km of CO2 or more, the BIK rate will increase by 1% next month and remain at that level until at least 2028. You can find out the tax rates for your car on the Gov.uk website. Drivers will need to have their vehicle's number plate to hand, as well as the 11-digit reference number that can be found in the logbook. Get in touch with our news team by emailing us at webnews@metro.co.uk. For more stories like this, check our news page. Era. More, aboard the UK's one-of-a-kind floating train line which is set to reopen soon. Era. More, Heathrow Airport could face more disruption at Easter after strikes announced. Era. More, woman dies on EasyJet flight to UK despite passengers fighting to save her. Straight-talking analysis from Westminster, straight to your inbox. This site is protected by Ray CAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. Your information will be used in line with our privacy policy.